friends, welcome back to Kids Active. Today we are making a matchbox table. Let's see how to make. First we want stick the matchbox with glue. Next, we want to cover the back side with 3 cm cardboard. Next, stick it the cardboard the back side. Stick it. Then we want stick the other side with this cardboard. Thus next we stick the pieces. Let's stick the another pieces. You want to stick. Then we want to stick the matchbox. Let's stick it. Now it is ready. Let's paint it. Now the matchbox table is painted. And stick the pearls in the middle of 3 boxes. Now the boxes remove outside and stick the pearls. Now the matchbox table is ready. If you like our video, please like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.